Finally, students can now learn what is not being taught in school: money and investing. Our elite after school financial literacy program is offered online, so now students all over the world can participate. Just hear what some of our students have to say.
I learned in the past 2 weeks what a stock market is, and I learned what a company is, an investor, the founder of McDonald's, and how he became the founder. Well, one of the founders. His name is Ray Kroc.
um, how to make money. A stock is like something that you sell and then and whoever gets it, you like kind of resell it after a while.
Okay.
That you need a broker. I always thought that you need a broker to do stocks in real life. I always thought that you can just go into the stock market, like any of those buildings, and just like, oh, I want to trade. But then there's like an entire system with a lot of history, so I didn't know that.
And I first of all learned what a stock and a stock market is, which is basically like a grocery store for companies. And then I also learned like how to evaluate different charts, like the candle chart, the line chart, and the area chart. And then I learned like what a bullish candle and a bearish candle is. And the bullish is the green one, like I think it's an increase in stock prices. And the bearish is the red one, which is like a decrease in prices. I also learned, like through the stock market game, I learned how to like which companies to invest into and like to like buy it lower and then sell it for higher.
My name's Skylar, and I learned how to analyze like the charts for stocks to know when I should invest and like when I should sell. Most of what I learned I didn't know. The only thing I knew was like what a company was. The chart patterns I think was really important because I would have just like I had no clue when to invest, and I feel like if you invest in the wrong time, it's like bad.
I learned the process of the stock market, companies, and things like that. I learned that there's no insurance or any security in buying stocks from the stock market. I learned that it's a big risk, and I learned basically just how it works.
Anything that you didn't know that you know now?
A lot.
Founder of McDonald's, different type of stock charts and vocabulary words like what a stock market is, a brand, and a company.
Welcome to Rich Kid Camp.